Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this video, we learn how to edit shop name. Log into the backend. Go to Configuration and Basic Settings. Now go to Shop Settings and Basic Information. Now fill out the shop name. Click Save. Now clear the shop cache. Now go to Site and refresh the page to see the changes. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.